Hello and welcome to our latest media room build out. This project was part of a bigger renovation of a house here in Camps Bay, and we have taken the opportunity to integrate a surround sound system with a nice big TV screen for this property. The house is going to be used as a rental property for a client of ours with short-term rentals through a local service provider called Turnkey 365, and as such they wanted a room which would differentiate other rental houses from their portfolio. So what we've been able to do here is build out a front screen wall that hides our network and Wi-Fi equipment, hides the soundbar and all the associated cabling and power cabling that goes with the television. Beyond that, what we've done is we've added some rear speakers that we get surround sound, and then of course the interior designer Penny, who's been working on this project, has chosen these Valance cubist sofas as well as this sofa at the back of the room, and overall chosen the designed prints that are hanging on the walls and also all the paint colors and also the blackout blinds, which allows this room to be a full movie viewing room during the middle of the day when the sunlight is quite bright here in Camps Bay. Due to the requirement of this being just a media room for a short-term holiday rental, we chose a Samsung 75-inch TV because it's big enough for a comfortable viewing size for all the seats in this room. In behind the black fabrics that we've got stretched across the front of the room, we've got a Sonos ARC soundbar installed here. That allows the most simple, user-friendly use of this room without having the need for extra remote controls that would do volume from an amplifier or Apple TV or something like that. So we're using the built-in apps of the TV for our media playback, being Apple TV, Netflix, YouTube, and the audio is sent over HDMI down to the Sonos ARC, where it provides the center channel, and the Sonos ARC connects wirelessly to a pair of rear Sonos One SL speakers that gives the surround sound effect in this room. At the rear of the room, we've got Sonos One SL speakers which are mounted onto Vogel's wall mount brackets. These speakers are designed to be placed behind the listening position and provide the sound as the left and right surround speakers, with the Dolby Atmos effect coming from the Sonos ARC soundbar by firing sound up onto the ceiling so that it gives you a general overhead ambient sound. So this is how the speakers are laid out for the surround speakers. What we were able to do in this room is bring the speaker and power cabling through the roof down to the speakers, and that allows us to be able to have it powered and on the network so that we have absolute reliable audio from the speakers. As you can see, we've taken what was a fairly uninteresting and boring TV room from the previous owners, and through the space of a few weeks changed the carpets, repainted the whole room, put new curtains and blinds in, and transformed this from something that wasn't very inviting whatsoever into a really comfortable and enjoyable media room. Thank you very much to Penny, the interior designer, who's been working tirelessly on this project to make sure that everything meets the schedule and goes according to plan, and picking out the beautiful furniture that we have in this room and allowing us the opportunity to build out this media room to be able to have an enjoyable experience for the guests that are going to stay here in the weeks and months to come. If you're looking for a media room or a home cinema like this, please feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to assist.